Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. Today's video I have been kindly sent these agate molds by Resin and I'm going to try them today. So they come in a set of 4. So I did use them once, hence you see the stain of the alcohol ink on one of them. So let's start. So I have mixed my resin, low viscosity resin 1:1, and now I'm pouring it into the mold. So I mixed my resin and let it sit for around 15 minutes, and now I'm pouring it into the mold. So these are the alcohol ink that I'll be using. They are a combination of different colors. So you can use any color you like. But the main thing is that I am using Resin Ocean White that I was looking forward to work with so long. So it comes in a big bottle like that, and there is a nozzle. I just place the nozzle on top. So now I have taken around 20 ml of resin in my container, and now I will be adding this much into the resin here. So it's really high pigmented white paste, so I will be using it carefully. So let's start with adding the inks. Starting off with the yellow, it's a pearl alcohol ink here. So it's been a long time. I was really looking forward to work with Resin white pigment paste because I have heard good reviews about it, and I have seen so many amazing beautiful flower and ocean waves made with ocean white. So now I'm adding the pink in the center. And for my center, I will be adding some gold foils. So now I'm just mixing up the alcohol inks just to create a gradient effect here. So now I will be making the petals here, and I will be just going roughly with the petal shapes. So I mostly like to make the flowers where the petals are not so symmetrical, so I do this technique a lot. But if you like to make a very symmetrical flower, you just do the swirls and make petals. So they are really easy to make. Plus, but I was going to test the Resin white pigment paste, so I was making petals like that. I'm doing the same to the other coaster. And after that, I will be doing the petals and leave it to cure. So this is the next day, and let's see how they turned out. I can really see how lovely they look, and I can see the mica gathered into the center. So here we go, and this is how the flower turned out. So I really love the folding petals here. If I can show you the close-up, the petals are so beautiful. They are folding inside. I will be showing you in a moment. First we see how they turned out. So they both look lovely, and I really love how the effect came out, and it's beautiful. So for the next step, I will be doing the golden edging here. And this is my favorite liquid gold to use. And now with the help of a dotting tool, I will be making the edges. So I will be doing this onto the second one and leave it to dry. So when these are all dried up, it's time to top coat. Even though the coasters are really new, but I still do the top coat because it enhances the beauty of a coaster. So I mixed my Let's Resin and I'm pouring it on top of the coaster, little by little. So this is the final step, and I will be doing the top coat and I will leave it to cure. So see you next day, and we will see how they turned out. So this is how they turned out, and I actually really love them. The beautiful folding of the petals is such a beautiful effect in the flower. No matter how many times you make a flower, they always turn out as they want to be. So it really depends on the white pigment paste, how much you use it. You use it less or you use it more. So everything combined together creates this beautiful effect. So this was my first time using the Let's Resin white pigment paste. So I will be trying different techniques with that pigment and doing many more resin experiments. So this was a quick process video on making flowers. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.